Hi everyone, welcome back to the Maker Mike channel. What do you do when your pruning shears stop cutting properly? Like kitchen knives, they get dull and rusty over time, but there's no need to replace them. Today, I'll show you a simple, practical way to restore a sharp edge. First, you check the condition of the pruners before doing anything else. Take a piece of paper and try a simple cut. Instead of a clean slice, the paper tears and bends. That tells you right away the blades are dull and not meeting the way they should. Now slow down and take the tool apart. Use a screwdriver and remove the center bolt. Separate the two blades and place every part on the table so nothing gets lost. As you look closer, you can see old sap, dirt, and light rust built up from years of use. This is normal for a tool that has done real work. Now it is time to clean the blades using simple things you already have at home. Lay both blades flat in a plastic tray so the mess stays contained. Sprinkle baking soda generously over the metal surfaces, especially where you see dark stains and sticky sap. Do not be shy here. Baking soda is gentle, but it works best when it fully covers the problem areas. Next, take a fresh lime or lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice directly over the blades. You will see it start to bubble slightly as it reacts with the baking soda. That reaction helps loosen rust and dried plant sap that water alone cannot remove. Now use the cut lemon itself like a scrub pad. Press it firmly against the metal and rub along the blade, working from the base to the tip. Pay extra attention to the pivot area where dirt likes to hide. Once both blades are coated and scrubbed, let them sit for a few minutes. This short wait gives the mixture time to break down buildup so the next steps are easier and more effective. Now we get the sharpening stone ready. Place the stone in a bowl of clean water and let it soak for a few minutes. This keeps the surface wet and helps the blade glide smoothly instead of grabbing. While the stone soaks, take a piece of sandpaper and lightly rub the blades to remove any remaining grime or surface rust. Do not press hard. You are just cleaning, not sharpening yet. Once the blades look clean and the stone is fully wet, everything is ready for the real sharpening step. Now it is time to sharpen the first blade. Lay the blade flat on the wet stone, then slowly raise it just enough to match the original angle. Keep that angle steady. Move the blade across the stone in smooth, controlled strokes from heel to tip. Add a little water as you go so the stone stays wet. Do not rush. Let the stone do the work. After a few passes, you can already feel the edge starting to come back. Let me know your state in the comments. It's always great to see how many DIY folks are out there. Now switch to the second blade and repeat the same process. Lay it on the wet stone. Find the same angle, and keep your strokes slow and even. Add water as needed, and stay patient. When both edges feel sharp and consistent, wipe each blade dry with a clean cloth. Next, line the two blades back together and reinstall the center bolt. Tighten it until the scissors feel firm, but still open and close smoothly. Give it a few test opens and closes in your hand. The motion should feel solid, balanced, and ready for work again. Now, add a small drop of grease right at the pivot joint. Open and close the shears a few times so the grease spreads evenly inside. You will feel the movement turn smooth and quiet right away. That first method works great for pruning shears, but there is another simple trick worth knowing. This one is even faster and perfect for the kitchen. Take a look at these kitchen scissors. They look fine, but when you try to cut a plastic bag, they bend it instead of cutting. Now take a spark plug and look closely at the white ceramic part. You will see fine grooves running along it. Those grooves work like a light sharpening surface. Hold the kitchen scissors at a natural angle and cut into those grooves several times, opening and closing the blades slowly. Do not force it. Let the ceramic do the work. After a few passes, the edge wakes back up and feels noticeably sharper. Now, both pairs of scissors are sharp again and ready for real work. One method restores your pruning shears the right way, and the other gives your kitchen scissors a quick second life. If this helped you today, tap the like button. Subscribe for more practical DIY ideas you can use at home.